Okay, go.
Is it already loaded?
Are you gonna go what? I'm Lil Rambo.
We're still working on mine. He's fine with it. He's just, it's his first time.
Guess I'm recording.
Huh?
I guess I'm recording
Good.
this game.
Stop guys.
Uh-oh.
We normally stick together anyway. So.
Yeah.
How many mags you got?
Oh, that's right.
A lot? I got all these. And then all these.
Turn it on? Or did
Yeah,
you
he
turn it on?
turned it on.
You're gonna run it
Gotta
this
get you
time?
back.
I guess so. I'm the photographer.
Okay, you ready?
This game.
The videologist.
Videographer.
Videologist. That's the thing.
Where's the gentleman that asked for the orange bed?
Me.
Oh.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
He's gonna go with this.
Ow. Are we gonna choose our teams? No, we're on blue team, they're on red team.
One,
against
two,
each other.
three.
We're against each
Out.
other. They're more than us. But we'll probably get more lives.
Okay, I need 3 volunteers from red. Any group of 3s? Any loners?
Actually, we're group of 3 right here.
Okay, you guys go over here. I want to get you guys blue bands.
Okay.
Go and you don't take the red bands off and just leave them right here on this bench. Here's one. You just gotta drop them right there. I'll go get you guys 3 more. Or 2 more.
You guys hit me up right here.
Okay, real quick. Okay, we're gonna play.
He ditched you.
They stick with my gloves.
I can see that.
Oh, where you at?
Oh, damn. Thank you.
Send me your
You
arm.
okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Semi?
10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. Hands up. Keep them up. I'll point them out. 1, 2.
What are we voting?
Full or
Okay,
semi?
semi-auto. 1 minute. Let's see. Red team, we're gonna start last. Okay, red team, you're gonna start in the police station. Now you guys need to listen carefully to this. Okay, red team starts at the police station. Blue team's gonna start at this red house right here in this corner. Okay? Now for the piggy, you're gonna have to move the piggy into. For blue team, has to move it into the gas station. And red team has to move it into the garage. That keeps you guys from
It's about to get real. Yeah, we switched to blue because they needed 3 more people.
Are you sticking red?
No, you don't have to.
Garage or body shop. Blue team has to take it to the gas station. It's going to be in the middle.
So it's
You hear
like
that, Sean?
it's like still the bacon.
Go for it, Sean. Good video.
I'm going for it.
Good
I'm
video.
going for it, baby.
Video of the bacon.
You guys got covered.
Video, you make sure when you get it, you show it. Okay, got it.
Oh yeah, you'll see it.
3 seconds in the game. Got it. Got the best print now.
Now.
Okay. Put that in your shoulder.
Okay. Put it on semi now.
Awesome. Where?
Think. Yeah, that way. This way.
This way? Alright. Well, I think if we just go straight down the middle,
Yeah, go straight down the middle.
like this way,
No, right through the house.
right through the house. Hey guys, I'm gonna head straight for that pig. We gotta take it to where?
Gas station.
Gas station, which is
Okay.
right there.
That's what we need to do.
So I'm gonna head straight for it. If you guys just lay down covering fire for me,
I will.
I'm just going straight for it.
Wait, which way are you gonna exit from?
I'm gonna head straight for it from right here.
Okay,
I'm
I'll-
probably gonna go around this way,
Okay, I'm gonna get over here.
and I'm gonna stay low.
Hey, I'm gonna run with them, but I'm not gonna get as far as them. So let me get Hey, make sure you get it right.
Here, I can cover from this.
So you're probably going to want to move up with me because when I go up there, usually people will fly in to get it, and you won't have a clear shot because the bank is it's right behind the van,
Yeah.
where this pig is going to be. So if you
Take it to the bank. Are you gonna take it where?
I got to take it to right here, the gas station.
You're gonna take it to the gas station.
No, I got to take it. I got to take it.
That big crate right there looks pretty big.
You go first, I go after.
Oh, gotta have two. Shit. Oh, out. You gotta have two people, Greg. How many lives do we have? How many lives do we have? Do you know?
I have no idea. I don't even know what team I'm supposed to be on.
How many lives do we have? Do you know? 3? Okay. 3. We gotta get the pig. You ready?
Gotta get the what?
Pig. It's in the middle. I'm going for it. I'm going for it right now. Cover me. Greg, let's go. Grab it.
There you go.
Right here.
Yo, need somebody in the middle. You. Come on. You on my team? Let's go. We got 2 people. I got you. Grab it. Ready? Go. Right here. Out. We got it close. Get up there. We get 3 lives.
Picked up mine, but if I could grab it.
That's all good, man. Always the one somebody come bring it closer. You want to go get it again?
Yeah, we can go get it.
Let's go. We got it. Yo. Where's... Come on. I see him. What the hell? Hey, you want to go grab it? Hey, cover me. How many people are over there? We got to go finish the game, man. We're right there. We're that close. You ready? Yo, yo, we're going. Cover us. Okay. Hey, I'm right behind you. You want to go finish it?
I hit him.
Let's go. Both
Here's
guns.
the bank. Got me.
Go, 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 go. Ah. Nice. That was good. Yeah, I dropped one for sure. Whew. I got hit as we entered the building.
Well, the first time we got the box, that dude shot me right in the ass.
Yeah, I grabbed it solo and he's like, hey, you gotta have two. So we had to have two. Thanks.
Who won?
We did.
Video. I'm gonna be Rambo again.
Oh man, I got it all on video though. My bad.